I was in an auto accident recently, and I was rear-ended, and...
Would you turn down your TV, because I'm getting feedback here at the studio.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Just turn that down if you would, please.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And I was rear-ended and knocked into a car that was stopped. So I was kind of ping-ponged, and I sustained whiplash, and I've been going to the chiropractor, but well, the person that hit me from behind, their insurance is paying for my car and the car in front of me. My auto insurance has to pay for my chiropractic fees because Kansas is a no-fault state.
Okay, what is your question for me then, Kathy?
I'm wondering, why is Kansas a no-fault state? I don't understand that.
Okay, very good question, Kathy. You've gotten some information correct from a source and some information that's not entirely correct. Kansas is what I call a bifurcated state, meaning it has two basic systems to compensate individuals who are injured in automobile accidents. The first system is a no-fault system that basically says for minor automobile accident claims, which result in no fracture of a weight-bearing bone, no disability, medical bills less than $2,000, etc. Small injury type claims. I think there's a couple other conditions, but those are the basic conditions. If you fit within those categories, then you don't have any recourse or right to pursue the other driver's insurance policy for a bodily injury claim for having caused you to suffer the damages of additional medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, etc. If, however, your injury is greater than, if you incur medical bills, greater than $2,000, you have a more severe injury such as a fracture of a weight-bearing bone or suffer a permanent disability as a result of an accident, then the law says that initially the medical bills are supposed to be taken care of by your no-fault or personal injury protection insurance policy with your own company. And then once you have met the threshold requirement or requirements that I described previously, and you're ready to make a claim, you can make a claim against the liability policy for the person who caused the accident. And in that claim against the liability policy, there is a question of fault, and Kansas does not consider those larger claims to be no-fault claims. The issue is who was at fault in causing the accident. It's pretty clear, based upon what you've described to me, Kathy, that the driver that struck the rear of your vehicle is or was at fault in causing your accident. It appears that from the fact that their insurance company is paying all of the property damage, they've accepted that legal conclusion. I would suggest, Kathy, that you sit down with a personal injury lawyer to explore just what type of claim you have against the liability policy for the person that caused this accident. Okay? Thank you, Kathy. I appreciate the phone call.